My name is Riya Sharma. I am a student of BCom Sem 4 K1 of Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. I would like to express my special thanks to our principal ma'am, Professor Dr. Ajay Sareen, and special thanks to our professor in charge, Mrs. Binu Gupta ma'am, who gave me this wonderful project on the topic classification of hotels into star category and helps me in doing lots of research, and I come to know about so many new things. Now with the introduction part. The hotel industry is the sourcing business conducting another significant branch in the economic development of the country. The hotel industry associates many types of industries such as tourist industry, the transportation industry, and the food servicing industry. It is apparent that every country emphasizes on the significance on this kind of industry with the belief that this is a source of employment in the country. Hotel is an important part of the hospitality industry. It has attained much higher status in the society and demands higher standard of work ethics. To ensure certain level of standardization in products and services, hotels are globally classified on the various parameters which can be include location or according to the services provided by them. Need for classification. Uniformity services and sets general standard of a hotel. Provide an idea regarding the range and type of hotels available within the geographical location. Measure of control over hotels with respect to quality of service offered in each category. Standard classification star rating system. In India, star rating system rating of hotels is given by Central Government Committee HRACC. The members of HRAC comprises stands for Hotel and Restaurant Approval and Certification Committee of India. Member of FHRAI stands for Federation of Hotel and Restaurant of India. A restaurant with the hotel who is a member of FHRAI can also apply for separate membership. One restaurant can be a member hotel with 25 to 100 rooms, must be functioning restaurant, must have all relevant municipal and other required licenses with the current validity. Member of HAI stands for Hotel Association of India. Established in 1996, Indian Hospitality is the apex organization of the Indian hospitality industry. Member of IATO stands for Indian Association of Tour Operations, is the national apex body of the tourism industry 1982. Member of TAAI stands for Travel Agent Association of India. Principal of IHM stands for Institution of Hotel Management. Member of IHHA, Indian Heritage Hotel Association came into being in 1990s as a result of heritage tourism movement, which was initiated to make heritage building productive and to maintain them. Now, the core areas of the hotels include room division, front office, housekeeping, human resource department, sales and marketing department, purchase department, sales and marketing department, financial control department, and security department. Independent hotel ratings. A star is primarily used to denote the level of quality and service, with the 1 star being the lowest level and the 5 star being the highest level. Service level. A hotel service level is measured by the amount of actual and perceived consideration a guest can reasonably expect to receive. A consumer perceives the value of receiving quality service. Now, 1-star hotel. These properties are small and independently owned. There may be a limited range of facilities and meals may be fairly simple and provide average standard of accommodation. Now, example of 1-star hotel in Jalandhar, Hotel Shangri-La. Year of establishment 1992, cuisine, non-veg and Indian. Members of HRANI. Hotel Gulshan, year of establishment 1994, cuisine Indian only, member of HRANI. Now, 2-star hotel. Hotel will typically be small to medium sized and offer more extensive facilities than one-star hotels. Two-star hotels offer a wider range of straightforward services include food and beverages. Now, example of two-star hotel in Jalandhar. Hotel Indraprasth. Year of establishment 2014. Multi-cuisine, members of FHRAI and HRANI. Hotel Skylark, year of establishment 1969. Members of HRANI and FHRAI stands for Federation of Hotel and Restaurant of India. Cuisine, veg, non-veg and Indian. 3-star hotel. Hotels are usually of fairly large size to support higher staffing level as well as significantly higher quality. Reception and other public areas will be more spacious. Now the example of 3-star hotel in Jalandhar. Hotel Majestic Grand, year of establishment 2006. Multi-cuisine, members of HRANI. Hotel Dolphin, year of establishment 1994. Multi-cuisine, members of FHRAI stands for Federation of Hotel and Restaurant of India. 4-star hotel, degree of luxury as well as quality in furnishings, decor, equipment in every area of hotel. There will be a high staff ratio, 24-hour room service. For example, 4-star hotel in Jalandhar. Hotel President, year of establishment 1998. Members of FHRAI and multi-cuisine. Hotel Kamal Palace, year of establishment 1984. Members of HRANI, cuisine, Mexican, Chinese, veg or non-veg. 5-star hotel. 5-star hotels offer spacious and luxurious accommodations throughout the hotel, matching the best international standards, and the interior design should impress its quality. The service should be formal, well supervised and flawless in guest needs. Example of 5-star hotel in Jalandhar. Hotel Radisson, year of establishment 2001. Members of FHRAI stands for Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Association India. Multi-cuisine including Italian. Hotel Ramada in Kaur, year of establishment 2016. Member of HRANI. Multi-cuisine including continental, Indian, Chinese, veg, non-veg and many more. Special accommodation in 5-star hotels. Conference centers, lodging facilities, bed and breakfast, private home offering one or more guest room. Campgrounds located in natural environment. At last, conclusions. Hotels nowadays have become a big source of such a change and provide a large variety of services like multi-cuisine, bars, pubs, swimming pools, etc. Jalandhar, the sports city of India, the town of great antiquity, Jalandhar, today exists as a highly industrialized center of commercial activity. A large number of hotels coming up now and then. Earlier, what existed was a countable number of small hotels, but now many categorized hotels with 1, 2, 3 and 4-star and 5-star ratings have coming up in the city. Thank you.